mga quiz mga atis, welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ang ngayong araw, papanorin natin yung comparison video ng dalawang young singers or young kid singers. I don't know kung kid na pa yung isa. So I'm referring to Roberta Battaglia and Danilea Tolosova sa kanilang performance ng Shallow by Lady Gaga. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papapanorin natin yung video at later bibigay kong reaction and opinion ko on the said video. So, let's go!
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I found myself longing
Just shut your eyes for a moment and listen to her.
in all the bad times I fear myself. I'm up the deep end, watching the diving. I'll never meet the ground. Crash to the surface, waking at us. We're far from the shallow now.
Danilea Tolosova. Wow. Ganda kasi.
Tell me something, boy. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. And all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy. Are you tired? Try to fill that void. Or do you need more? Baby, heart keeping it so hardcore. I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. And in the bad times I feel myself. I'm over deep and watches are diving. I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface when I can't hide us. We fight from the shallow now.
po napanood natin yung performance ng dalawang produkto ng America's Got Talent. Ito ay sina Roberto Padaglia at Danilea Torreshoba. Okay, before anything else, gusto ko sabihin, there are both great, magagaling na singers, magaganda boses. Now, let's go to the differences ng performance nila. Okay, magkaiba yung isa live. They're both live, pero isa recorded na kasi. So, medyo may changes na dun. Lalo na sa video, diba? Okay, sa quality ng boses, I could say na angat yung boses ni Danilea Torreshoba because very powerful yung boses niya. Yung narinig mo niya sa kanta niya, especially the latter part, diba? Yung lumabas yung pagiging strong ng boses niya. Roberta, I could say na maganda yung boses niya, pero I was expecting na mas powerful, pero hindi ganun ka-powerful. Now, the style or the way they sang it, again, lamang pa rin si Danilea because Danilea gumawa siya ng sarili niyang style, nagkaroon siya ng sariling arrangement sa song, and it sounded like Danilea. And while si Roberto man, it sounded like si Lady Gaga. Actually, nung buong performance ni Roberta, listening to her, it reminded me of Lady Gaga kasi yung quality ng voice niya and the style nag-swak to sa style ni Lady Gaga. And we can't blame her kasi bata pa naman yan, and definitely mostly mga mature kasi kinokopya lang naman niya style ng mga original singers. So yun, yun ang masasabi ko sa dalawang performance, but I enjoy both, especially on Danilea. May bias ba? So yun, so they are both, and I sa akin, ang importante sa akin yung mga mahusay na singer. We should support these young singers because one day baka isa sa kanila maging big star, superstar, diba? So yun, especially si Danilea, she's already on her journey, and hopefully opportunity na lang talagang magpibes sa kanya para maging big star, diba? So again, both are great, and I love it and I enjoy it, and nag-thank you to sa nagbigay sa akin ng suggestion to do a reaction on these two young singers na galing sa America's Got Talent, and yeah, magaling. So yun ang masasabi ko sa performance ng dalawa. So kayo mga pulis, mga ate, sino sa inyo ang nagustuhan nyo ang performance? Ang kay Roberta Padaglia or kay Danilea Torreshoba? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung video at nagustuhan nyo binigay kong reaction at opinion ko, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments, and I will try to interact with you guys para naman magandang usapan, magandang palitan ng guro-guro, at bawal ang bashing. Iwasan ang mag-bash, especially on the level of personal, diba? Hindi maganda po yun. Focus tayo sa topic, diba? So there you go, maraming salamat. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinoy Talaga channel, Brody Vlog, Taalas Kisyo, and Tamat Lang People Process. Maraming salamat, have a nice day, and bye-bye.